Hi guys, we're back with the actual doing stuff one. So this is the chessboard from last time, but we moved it over here. So now we're gonna actually start doing this.
Okay.
Pops, what are we gonna do?
You're going to put on the iPad ear protection. You'll find them both over there.
That.
That's Pops's.
Over there. So, we're going to be doing some woodworking today. And we have, as usual, here my camera girl, Daphne. And we have Pops here also.
New one. Ow.
All right.
This is so tight.
Ground and this stuff. You're pointing at things you're not supposed to be pointing at, that. You're pointing at the ground, walls.
All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn on the dust collector.
Okay, so we're turning on this thing.
Come over here. Turn on the conveyor.
This is too tight.
Turn on the conveyor belt.
Okay.
Turn on and then we can turn this on. This activates the drum. Now what we can do is to make sure we save all the scratches, all the little tiny scratches in this. So we just take some sidewalk chalk and go like that. And you can see where the chalk is, it's the high ridges, and where there's none, that's the little valleys. So we want to smooth out the high ridges. So what we do is we just send this through, and we do that multiple times. See, we got most of it off. So you can do this now, Dad. Take that over here. Now, when you send it through, this is very important. Don't hold your fingers underneath like this, because if that goes through, it can trap you out and catch your fingers. So you take the fingers and push it up to the conveyor belt. Just let it go. So here's the sandpaper working.
Now it's my turn.
Still some left. Take it through another time.
Try this way.
Go ahead. Go on.
Still not completely off.
Yeah. This might just be the whole video. Watching it go through.
Coming.
That was loud.
Well, we're going to finish that off with another sanding tool over here. So we'll turn this over now and go ahead and put some sidewalk chalk on there. You can press a little harder.
Yeah, there's a new split screen on partner.
How's it look? See. We're ready for the next step, okay? So, turn it off over here.
Okay.
There's that. There you go.
We can take off our things.
All right. You can keep filming. I want to show you something else.
Okay, so Daphne here.
I forgot to bring my hairband.
Daphne here.
You need to pull your hair back out of the way.
I forgot to bring my hairband.
Daph, go see if Gaga's got a band for you.
Okay.
Just be viewing.
So, yeah.
So
We're back here now.
one of the things that we do is if you're working on tools, when you're done with them, unplug them. You don't want them turning on accidentally. So always unplug stuff when we're not using it. And especially if we're going to be doing stuff inside the tool. There's a good example. Sometimes I have to change the belt on here, and you can accidentally turn that on. And if your hands are in there, you can have a problem, get caught up in it. So we always unplug stuff when we're working on tools and when we're done using them, all right?
Huh. That's cool.
Okay. And next tool we're going to use...
What are these big pipes? And these ones.
Here?
Yeah, what's that?
That's the dust collector. See over there? That's a big vacuum. And that's where all the sanding dust that comes from the tool
Yeah?
gets hooked up into that. Now what I've done is I've hooked up over here. Look over here. Here's a remote switch that turns it on. So when that's on, so that removes all the dust from the tool. Now when the dust collection hose is not hooked up to that, I hook it up to the back of this saw, so all the sawdust that's generated when we're cutting over here gets sucked up into that same system and it all collects over there. So it keeps the shop clean, and most importantly, it keeps the sawdust out of the air, where if we breathe it in, it can be very bad for us.
Yeah.
Our lungs are not built to handle sawdust. It's just debris, and it can be problematic. Particularly some of the woods have the chemical makeup of the woods can be toxic. So we want to eliminate as much dust from the area as we can. And it goes back to being cleanliness too. One of the old sayings is a clean shop is a safe shop. We always want to keep that in mind.
So, what are we doing next?
Well, we're going to now take this, but we sanded this down to, it's kind of like medium fine. We want to take it to not quite extra fine, but one more grit on the sander, and we'll use this sander over here.
How long will this take?
Well, as long as it takes. Sometimes some woods take a lot longer than others.
I have to end the video in about 5 minutes if I want to actually be able to upload it. So.
Okay. You can turn that off for now.
Okay, so goodbye guys. We'll be making a second video once we're ready to do more exciting stuff. So see you later. Leave a comment, subscribe, and like, and don't forget to join the notification squad. You'll be notified every time I make a new video. So yeah, see ya. Goodbye. Watch my other videos. And always remember to go to school. Goodbye.